Good afternoon. Welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube. Every year, very Asante Kotoko Imc, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit on the subscription button for us. Na yenka eja engumo quickly. Well, and now Kumasi Asante Kotoko Eche in Swatrama Shomo by 1-0. An own goal from Isaka Mohammed. And I'm Asante Kotoko Dinkunim over Klaba, defending Swatrama. Last season, so Atrema Asante Kotoko by 2-1 over Baba. But this is got Kwetimi Atena when you 1-goal win over a year in Swatrema. Well, now before the game, now in somehow do I course had to do it. A chitafo ni bi ana omabo mutrimu pose. Cause Kone Chelsea game number TV soon to almost no. Enya de a ombepene. I'm free na cause matches on be in a TV so. And that game, the crowd and listed until there was no media coverage. Again, media guys or more, nobody was allowed to go live. Now you had the chance to record, but now you need a chance to go live. And that is what happened. Now, after the game, the catcher said, they had a meeting on Tuesday evening. A year, Obuase, and discussed that issue, what they should do. Mekani nyina kyerɛ on this particular channel. Ebre opanyin efe na no kra ba adware batu da se da bi. Adwen ne de no kromo osa adwen no se kotkosu hia ska. No munim so be di nkurim against nsu atreman. Inti so mo di nkurim against nsu atreman ya na ehu be hia. Se ball na amba TV so a all attention be ko obo aso bi abepɛ so be ko ho. Ebma kotkosu anyi ska kakra. Was Chelsea for ne de batu da se omo peskanti no mama omo ne kotko game no Amber TV. And no amenya ntie say the section of the supporters 8 minutes and apenkra kwesi ewa edi nkomo. The tough abom no say nana apenkra kwesi ewa kontompo ni aferi hene de to supporters na nim say omo nya abotre. The news I'm picking is that there is a scheduled meeting which is even ongoing between the Ghana Football Association and the clubs explaining the new TV coverage in on some their job for every club to know exactly what they will be getting from a boy Edinburgh TV. So in the beginning, the teaser, they were trying to test the machines to see if indeed TV stations on their show can show it or not. Enti na na the two echitafo na nim so bi anya abotre na omo call manim no after that meeting ombehu baby a year Chunsuan the body Hunubakugu. And the club no will have a decision to take. When it gets to the time that they are taking the decision, you come back to the fans and engage them. Na entiasia yedwuma. Nti abotre ena chitafo ni nya. Chitafo no so de wonim so mo buo soronko e de manana nti omoso ahomeso. Nti as at now there on Sunday Asante Kotoko game on against Accra Lions will be live on TV, pending any last-minute decision. Ebeba, Diano, and a pending any last-minute decision. The decision be amba last-minute dia. Nanani echita for ne kasa no. Omoso enya ntiase enya abotre. Nti yebehe say yakoye nim no die be free ho ebeba no yebehwe na yakani nyina ho asem on this particular channel. Na ewo stadium saso and aspirant many abre pese Asante Kotoko national supporters and national circles council omope chairmanship position. They say opinion of no sibe na when ya Benjamin Obinseche who is based in Obuasi na Osesibe is in Kumasi. Benjamin Obinseche based in Obuasi or a former Asante Kotoko Santi region chairman on so pebi and a chairman a year Solomon Ofosuware where channel we and akasa chairman Obinseche so here channel we so you need to come up ono a based na Santi region a former Asante Kotoko management member. Yes, so a former Asante Kotoko management member. That is the proof na some penifo nyina ewo Obuasi aye heard him say very soon elections na senke last week but to ashada. So I think say be an international break ne ba they will take advantage of that moment. Maybe an election or me aye. Moving forward, you be free elections maybe be an memo on this particular channel. Yes, buses to Obuase ebesan ye adwuma biem. Ye twen akopem o kire numre official announcement ebi kura na enekra timi aba. By Friday anopa the official announcement of buses any sika echitafo ni betue nyina bebam. Buses no on say from Kumasi to Obuase 30 cedis. This will be just 60 cedis plus ticketa. It means that will be a subsidized. Hanti the minimum mpanimfo ni bi specifically menya ntia se chairman solo regional open national chairman or subsidize at the cost involved kotoko elko brekum na na penkra kwesi ewu subsidize eno no so be the two for buses ni bi na koye na the me picking say anhwe ya moving forward they might be moving with two for bus no. That is what I'm picking. Say, menshia you turn buses ni bi no. Me picking news be say I have long distance no, and even Obuase ni mpo no. I am picking this news and ya instead of say omuko tuama ayalolo no. True nana penkra they might go for those buses. I no mpanimfo be subsidize kakra. Na ma Asante Kotoko 10 year ebi also the kakra be sika kakra wono the source wa. Now, I buy and ready. I'll confirm the details of that story for you. But omuko brekum no enubi no omo de koye. Nana penkra mo kodi nkomo mo yi ba ko mo de koye. Nti me pekese bi Obuase no and she be move from Ayalolo as at now to ebia those VIP buses ni turn buses ni bi. Na e de chitafo no akọ we de say etiribo me say enibo a ekotirim. Nti kotoko sika no enko kotoko na mu. Eba na sa so a ente so betimi aba se campo ba akire na akitafo na ntimi andorso mpa nti ase wo ho kakra because kurowura ni team na kurowura bus ene ye de ama. That is what I'm picking. I'll confirm it to you in the evening. Ti entwen enkopomo channel pa buses ne ba ebe announcements ene ye ewo ha na Sunday Asante Kotoko against Accra Lions. Enra enumre bichichi mu say Samba is out of the game. Tinedu is out of the game. Babayaya is out of the game. And Abrante FN is smart as we are out of the game. Kuchogu I confirm says our players 4-way are not plenty. Omentimi joining Asante Kotoko team against you so atremano. Ebe den so who will be able to recover before the game on Sunday. The next game akotoko bono. And he said these players can recover. But the good news is so sha play wo ho ojina chire o prepare chire ho e bibia koyie ma Asante Kotoko awuche be shemu yehu de obitimbe ye baba ye pra but ye nyina hu Wisdom Fernando Bassi Zenra. After the game there's a lot of talk around Wisdom Fernando Bassi ni nyina na say kakra na obeboy no amanfo ani age ho it se baba ye pra na Dauda Sake start na so be wo me no ho afri bench aba at least the obey ne kire se Kotoko ebefe players no me prano but ebi wo ho a they are good to go to keep on fighting for Kotoko. The Justice Blake koyeye e wo Kotoko game on boy against Chelsea moving from center back to the defensive midfield role ebe jina ho ye adwuma ne kama erema Asante Kotoko. It means that in the course of the game no coach ni betimi vary the tactics ama play eso aba be jina infimfi ho ama nioma akoso the ama Asante Kotoko no also yes the injuries of the 4 players have been confirmed that they are all out of the game against Accra Lions last season. Don't forget Accra Lions shall Kotoko home and away, so we need to look at how best we can beat them moving a year forward. Again, Kotoko salaries there, you and I know say it is not an issue. Bonuses and some any issue. So you want some way about afa Kotoko ho a salary and bonuses and some no na ye de aton chen himself directly from Fikesiem until October ya swing players nsa be kama na actually pra no so etimi akoyie. So the issue of salary and bonuses is not a headache when it comes to the team. The financial motivation around the team is not a headache. I know why I'm doing this particular story. And then you expect this Asante Kotoko recovery omo ebe keje agum enye gidigidi boko because se obo ukwada na obo kwesiada umpushi mrante ni bebre Ebra Wankasa no coach Ugum Wankasa in a press conference admitted that the energy of his players no come from in some movement inti enkoye in a rush. Oh, you go force bebre kakra bi ma warm up Friday no ma Saturday no ma so that Sunday they can play against Accra Lions. You and I know say Lions is a very stubborn team. Omo ye nkwala odi agrom do betum nika pa to kotko opponent a omo energy level no was soro 90 minutes almost stress Accra Lions account. Therefore, you must manage the strength of your players. Onkoye intensive training, enko break you down, then go fast and for from. But at the moment, Kotoko move up a second position. And you and I will admit, the total play of the Asante Kotoko team, no, enyensi enduru baby, because say the siso, enyenduru ho, then you know, there have been few matches Obeka so Kotoko are dominating creating. They are playing all right, but there's still rough edges. Now, rough edges, now we try to explain it. A lot of people come to my comment section, and that's why I open the comment section. You too, we have the chance to close the comment section will be uncommented. But I sending me through. So you have to allow people to comment. And series of the comments, yeah, man, I said, I say I'm not angry enough concerning the performance of Kotoko. So as a comment, painting the picture it is painting. Any boy different. Okay. I address some of these issues because we are a family on this platform. Mimi who say with footballing knowledge I'm a one. I know Kotoko a lot of individual quality. Me know me and against recruitment Asante Kotoko any dear. One or the other recruitment, quality new woman than last season. But team building and one game. Me who said I saw comments like we share team now coach a long time to do preseason, which is true compared to last season. And that is why the resource is different from the beginning of last season. From the beginning of last season, Kotoko bought 3-0 matches and San the first win. That was against Ediana. Because first game, Heart of Lions was a Division 1 team. About for Frone Kotoko a draw. Kotoko bought Karela and Kotoko a draw. So what in common I say? And Sana Kotoko share Lions. And I Kotoko lose to baby and Gold Stars. So the long preseason and the quality of players at Kotoko signing during the recruitment, and no count of resource, different. 8 points out of 12. Meaning Kotoko, lose 4 points. That is draw me, mabo. So what I say? All striking percentage, I was through over 60%. That is the performance of Kotoko this season. Me are getting better, yes. For instance, per calculations, no be expected Kotoko commercial young apostles. Because beating young apostles, and Asante Kotoko at the moment, it was 10 points. Which on paper, Oshe Insuatre, Oshe young apostles, Oshe Karela, now the Brekum Chelsea Bodra, it will be beaten. But that is what happens when the team ain't doing full potential. Team ain't doing full potential. So we must be at a stage we welcome the results and we pray that the total performance will keep on getting better. I worked with Drafco Lugarozet during the time as a management member. And I'm speaking this not because of me defend you, but because I've been there before and I've seen what happens. The starting season, now keeper Felix Annan. Now right back, it was Frimpong. Left back, na Emmanuel Jemfi, or wing back. No ball Ahmed Adams, Abeku Enuse. Now about a year. No, there was one defender from our school. Nidine Ernest at escape me. No, Abebo midfield of Seto Pare and a Prince Aqua. Na wabo a year Obedousu. na wabɔ Ashitole no ɛna Kwame Boahen. This was basically sometimes no ebi wɔ na Tufoɔ Frimpong abɔ, ebi wɔ na Baba Mahama free bench aba. Now I always remember say near after the game na me ne coach ni di nkɔmmɔ, and consistently I catch me say the team no ne ball no yɛ pɛ sɛ ɔmo bɔ no ɔmo betumi abɔ probably after match day 10, and it was a big issue. Even me at some point, I'm maintenance. So he kept on telling us that the best he can do now is to get results. Because Kotoko is big. It's so expect to say team ninja and also and sana results na kanwaba. You better pamu before that. They say yen team tum say obejinechiri no appear results. But ye koye nim na no obiem when the players start settling with team no. And he made mention of something. Or say, Kwame Boahen wo midiama olusubo a on Taki Ejebuma no. Baba Mahama ewo Techiman cities. Olusuba on Taki, your uncle for a Taki on the bonnet brand. Also, Hashiti Lino without the ball on Fabi in Kahon. I say Kwanzaa without the ball on Fabi in Kahon. Yakub Mohammed without the ball on Fabi in Kahon. And the amount for Kidisa Kotoko attacking players. Anke so do munyina bo. But the truth is so ball munyina team ninya balance. Because these are players born in Kuta club na omada. Enti obebo be miensa pe. No appear more players are without the ball. They will do something to help the team. And my opponent be penetrating Shakotoko. Because of that, we won't see the team dominating, but we'll see the team winning in ugly ways. By entias mano, after match they bear 10. Not players na for front by na settle. Afe bona pane ye person mo bon. They will start playing it. But on pese team ni be catchri no mpeke point. Na obo pane no mu lusu. Let's get the results. The beautiful football will come later. And that is why I am defending the current performance of Kotoko. Because Lord Amo a new player. Esiedu a new. Ablo a new. Enwa Uche boy a new. Emmanuel Entry boy a new. Albert Amoa boy a new. And Adauda Saka boy a new. So 7 new players. 7 new players no. And yes, we need free team ba akona aba. Omo free teams different. Obia de no ye woni team mu ye different from the oba Kotoko yesi onye. Tusha Esiedu ne Patrick omo free Chelsea. Na Samuel Boadu ne coach omo. Before Samuel na Christopher Eni. The ochire omo last season is different from the coach ogumo chire. Albert Amoa na Ano Walker eni Jimmy Kwabra. Emmanuel Entry Ano Walker ni Jimmy Kwabra. Dauda Saka na former Asante Kotoko coach referee ni din the call or the Kotoko Royals a call relegation on na obofo. Eduafo, yes, coach Eduafo na obofo on na chire omo de o. Ablo Frigini na aba. Elvis Cheba afo tu kwan no aba. Inti when you have time for preseason, that is why the results is coming. But the total game, Kotoko bear 5-6 passes or dominating, still Kotoko dominating. But that efficiency from defense to midfield to attack, send your team every part be connected with another part, that will take time. And you preoccupied. So if you want to see that, when Pep Guardiola called Manchester City, in his first season, you would told Pep, in his second season, Okipu, the spine of the team, Okipu Company, Okipu Fernandino, Okipu David Silva, Okipu Di Bruyne, Okipu Sergio Kun Aguero, Puemo, and the main pillar in his team. To the midfield was Fernandino, David Silva, Kevin De Bruyne, and Sayamba, the midfield three, because on the previous season, just in front of them is Sergio Kun Aguero. On Aguero, the previous season. There was Raheem Sterling. No, done in chain dada. So the Bernardo Silva by no the other side. So a front three of Bernardo, Sterling, Aguero, Leroy Sane. But spine team no, Any mpanimfoɔ no na ɔne ɔmo keep the one season. Even the back two no Otamendi no hold the previous season. Plus company. To the center back pair ne ɔhɔ dada. The defensive midfielder no ɔhɔ dada. The attacking midfielders no more dada. The main striker no ɔhɔ dada. Into ɔde Kyle Walker, Benjamin Mendy, Edison the goalkeeper ɛbɛhyɛ mu ɛna ɔde Bernardo Silva bɛhyɛ nkyɛn. Into the Man City team after the first season of Pep Guardiola, the second season, na majority of the players of the G League no more dada. The first season no buy no obre, but osone so ka papa no the team next started bar. Most of the players were old players with new ones kakra bi be fry. Fabian Delph was there dada. Ike Gundogan, he signed him the previous season. The first season of signing Gundogan, well, so the second season, now Gundogan amateur. That is how you win the league. Tibet time at Benjamin Mendy, I started to plan Fabian Delph, no, hodada. No, can it team now under ball left with Sterling and other four. But this Kotoko team, and just what is the new spine of Kotoko? You find the new spine of Kotoko, your goalkeeper, Frederick Asare, no, last season. The consistent center back player, El Kotoko defense, Joseph Ablo new. In team menu, last year, but just in front of team menu, Emmanuel Entry, we new. Just in front of Entry, the striker in Albert Amon, you new. Two spine now. About 2 players and an last season. Out of 5 are in the building. So it's going to take them time. That is what we all need to understand. Until at the moment, even if the results will be ugly, let's welcome it. Even if a one-goal project, let's welcome it. Because as a GDC Kotoko players more talent, yes, or more talent, but it always takes them time for that chemistry. Say, Beba, enye preocupe. It takes time. Indeed, that is one thing we all need to understand when it comes to discussions around Asante Kotoko. See a prayer home fan is so you have 2 players, a see a statisha 4, statisha 5, a statisha 6. And yet the amphibian is sisa Ogum first season here. Goalkeeper Azaka Belora Oberton. Defense no Bob Mubarak, any Ganiyu, no more dada. Agadas moya mono. Bana Fabio Gama or Hodada. And Alamti. Pachawat Patim common ase. Agadas ya mono dear. Bana Fabio Gama Lamti or Dada. O steady ya. Ogum starting no bomuda siru. Na muda siru oho. Inte ogum bobo. No bomuda siru. Agadas ne Fabio Gama. 2 out of the 3 midfielders. No more team mudada. And an attacker of Mbela or Samuel Boati, new player. Now, Oko left wa, na Imoro and Patrick Essien and Patrick Asman. No more dada. Left ho, na Imoro ho, obeto Imoro, obeto Patrick Asman. Now, Oko writer, na Christopher Neti and about most of the matches. And sana later, a tire and sana guest in Japan babebo. Na Christopher Neti ho dada. So what that means is that in the back 5, as a coach, normally old. Imoro, Nete, Ganiyu, Yusuf Mubarak, Razaka Belora, new, old players. So there is a foundation I will be lay upon. Mudasiru, old player. Fabio Gama, old player. That is how you build. It's not new for any bebre. Not new ni ye nim ho. And a new. And then Finfina, Agadas, Lamte, Sharif Mohammed. So it was all about fixing the midfield. Even with that, at what point now, Mbela Bemuba, at what point now, in Fegi Bemu, near bought over 5 matches. Sanam community. But this Kotoko team, you're going to grain a shisha of fufro. Tine shisha muno, ebejebre. So let's understand that probably after the match, they be about 8, 10. And suddenly be up as a Kotoko start 3. Start 4, you start seeing the signs. But for now, let's just welcome the results and move with the results. Yɛmfa results ne nkɔ saa. Yɛmfa nkɔ saa. Ne yɛnka everything bia what we should be expecting should be improvement. Now it is obvious say Kotoko be here striker. And Kotoko will need a creative midfielder, a true number 10, a proper number 10. The Richmond Lamptey type nibi. Yes, Emmanuel Entry Ewobi. But just imagine this Kotoko midfielder nka Lamptey uchi eka. Nan kebia mukwala lady. Kebia mukwala stay ya. Kono no in the third season wa mature. Lamptey stay ya. In the fifth season. So in the fourth season wa mature. Nan kebia Entry abeka ho. Tusenka insane kakra bi. Now that Saka is now adapting. Ushe Saka out him say, I feel na Saka or adapting. It be a star no ball, but for the new be a ball Kotoko. Just say, uti say I feel na or try say obesi to the Kotoko game. It's taking time. So the new players are adapting. Therefore, we should become with how we want them to dominate opponents from the beginning to the end. It will definitely take them time. That is it. Ebesentia again on Porcupine Stand with Silbert. Bye bye.